Leonardo AI, a cutting-edge AI image generation platform, has recently undergone a significant update, introducing a sleek new interface and a plethora of innovative tools. Among these updates is the highly anticipated character reference tool, a game-changer for creators seeking to craft cohesive and compelling narratives. With character reference, users can now generate consistent characters across multiple images, streamlining the creative process and opening up new possibilities for storytelling and character development. According to Leonardo AI's official release notes, this update aims to provide users with more control and precision over their image generation, making it an exciting time for artists, writers, and creatives alike. In this video, I'll be delving into the capabilities of character reference, exploring its features and pushing its limits to see just what's possible with this revolutionary tool. In this video, I'll be creating an Instagram model using the new character reference tool. Let's get started. To begin, log into your account or create a new one if you don't have one already. You'll be greeted by the new and improved Leonardo's dashboard. Click on the Image Generation tab to get started. If you prefer the old interface, simply toggle on the Legacy switch. I'll demonstrate how to create a photorealistic image of a beautiful 20-year-old woman with short blonde hair and blue eyes, wearing a white t-shirt and blue jeans. To achieve this, I'll use the Cinematic Kino preset, which works well for photorealistic images. I'll keep the preset to Cinematic and enable the photoreal option. Note that these settings will be used throughout the video. Once you have a good image, you can use it as a reference by clicking the new icon in the prompt box to access the image guidance tools. These tools, including the character reference tool, will cost a certain amount of credits. You can upload an image or choose one from your personal feed, community feed, or from any creators you're following. Let's try changing our model's facial expressions. I'll keep the prompt the same, but add that she's smiling. You can also adjust the strength of the reference image's influence using the settings, low, mid, or high. Let's change it to high. As you can see, our girl is now smiling and her face and overall look match the reference image. Next, let's try making her laugh. I'll generate an image for each strength. While there's no major difference in her face, her outfits are different, with the mid-weight image's clothes closely resembling the reference. Now, let's explore placing our model in various scenarios. First, we'll have her enjoying a cup of coffee at an outdoor cafe. I'll adjust the weight to mid. Interestingly, she's been placed in the cafe, but she's not drinking coffee. To resolve this, I'll rerun the prompt with a low weight, and voila! Coffee appears, although she's not drinking it. Next, we'll have her sitting on her bed, engrossed in a book, and then riding a bike in a picturesque park. As you can see, our model's face and body remain consistent across all the generated images without needing to rerun the prompt many times. But what if we want to change our model's attire? Let's modify the prompt to have her wearing a stunning red bikini on the beach. Leonardo delivers again. Now, let's have her strolling through the bustling streets of New York City, dressed in trendy urban clothes. As we explore these different scenarios, notice how Leonardo's AI technology seamlessly adapts the model's appearance, ensuring consistency and realism in each generated image. This flexibility allows us to experiment with various settings and outfits, all while maintaining the model's core characteristics. Character reference can be combined with other image guidance tools to achieve even more impressive results. Let's demonstrate this by pairing it with the Style Reference tool, which applies the style of a reference image to a new image. As you can see, the style from the reference image has been seamlessly applied to our model, You can also adjust the style strength to control the intensity of the style transfer. Let's max it out and see the style really shine through in this image. Another powerful tool is the Pose to Image tool, which detects the pose of characters in a reference image and applies it to guide the image generation. Let's switch from the Style reference to the Pose to Image tool and choose a new reference image with a pose we like. And here's our model, perfectly replicating the pose of the woman in the reference image. Let's try another pose. Great, but it looks like Leonardo has placed our model sitting in the middle of the road. Let's add a bench for her to sit on. Wow, this tool is incredibly versatile. You can also combine more than 2 guidance tools to create even more complex and interesting scenarios. Let's experiment with combining multiple tools to see what unique results we can achieve. Earlier, I attempted to capture a full body shot of our model, but it didn't quite work out. Now, I'm excited to try the Pose to Image tool to achieve this goal. To start, I'll search for a reference image that showcases a full body shot of a character. Ah, this one looks perfect. Just like the other tools, I can adjust the influence of the image to fine-tune the results. I'll keep it at the default value for now and ensure the character reference strength is set to high. As I generate the image, I notice the pose is spot on, but her face is slightly different. No worries. I can adjust the weight of the pose image until I achieve the desired result. And voila! With a few tweaks, I've got the perfect full body shot of our model, thanks to the Pose to Image tool's flexibility and precision. Time to give our AI Instagram model a photoshoot makeover. I'll switch up the preset style to fashion and change the image dimensions to Instagram. She's lounging by the pool, exuding relaxation, leaning against a graffiti wall looking fiercely edgy. She's sleek and glamorous, serving up high-end style. And finally, she's rocking a retro vibe, posing with a classic car. After putting this innovative tool to the test, I'm thoroughly impressed. With ease and minimal re-rolling, I created consistent images featuring a woman perfect for an Instagram model and influencer. While a paid account is required to use this tool, the $10 monthly fee might just be worth it. If you're interested in upgrading, you'll find a link in the description. And as a bonus, I'll receive a small commission if you use it. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials as I continue to explore this tool's capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please consider showing your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.